What up? It's your girl Peach here. Today I'm going to review the African Pride Moisture Miracle product line. There are several different products within this line. These are the few that I tried today. So I did go ahead and list the first 5 ingredients, as I know that those are the most concentrated within the product. And also I wanted to mention some of the things that were listed down below which may be contributing to the moisture, such as coconut oil, baobab oil, aloe, and shea butter. Let's go ahead and get started in today's video.
I don't normally like my products this loose, but I feel like they are, this is what it's supposed to be for this. I mean, I'm not trying to get it to lock in like a gel or anything. I mean, it feels like how gels, some of the looser gels feel, but for my hair, it's just basically allowing me to go through and detangle. Dennis, you can holler, hey now, babe, I'm not doing nothing. Yeah, my husband watching TV. It's bad. It's really bad. He is really addicted to YouTube. I guess this is my disclaimer for any of my videos. If y'all ever hear my husband in the background, hey, I tried, okay? I'm gonna go ahead. I'll be back in 15.
So I'm rinsing the pre-poo out. Now I'm going in with the shampoo. It lathers pretty good, but I gotta do it twice. So I'm rinsing that out. Now I'm going in with the mask. And I like to braid my hair up, sit underneath the dryer with the plastic cap for about 30 minutes. Rinse that out. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this leave-in. It felt pretty good on my hair though, I will say.
This section is naked. There's nothing on this section. And I'm just going to go in straight with the gel and cream here. And then the rest of my head, I'm going to go in with the gel. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and use my Leav-in brush because I also want to kind of give it some type of a curl because I'm kind of scared, you guys. Now, I'll be honest. Gel and creams or cream gels, they don't work. I did like the look of this because, like I said, it looks like it's a cream and gel, like what it says. But let's see. It's doing nothing for me. Nothing. Nothing at all. I knew better, you know, but I tried it anyway. I'm going to put this out the way. I do want to mention that this leave-in, it seems okay, but well, let me shut up because it just made that bounce. It don't have a lot of slip. So a lot of times I'm looking for so much slip, and if I don't get slip, then I instantly think that it's not a good product. But as I'm combing my hair or running this Leav-in brush through it, I feel like it's doing something because the curls just kind of came bounced up real quick. Okay.
Now the gel. Looking at the gel, I feel like the gel, it's got a nice clear color and it's very jelly-like. It's not too heavy but not too light either. It has a good consistency. So I went ahead, I added some of the gel to that gel cream side, hoping to salvage this look.
So I don't know if you guys can see that now. It is different. It looks totally different from what it looked like before. All right, so I think it's gonna come out good. I'm very hopeful. We know that it's still wet, so it's still early, but I'm feeling pretty good about this, you guys.
2 hours later.
This is how my final results were. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360 and then we'll get into it. All right, so for the most part, I would say that there's some hold here. It's just not a very firm hold. I look and I see here there are some pieces that are pretty frizzy. I don't know if this is coming across on camera. So let's start off with the pros and cons list here. All right, so the pro for these products in general is the price. Okay, we're looking at roughly $5. Sometimes cheaper, maybe but $5 is like an average. Okay, so that's good, because a lot of these hair products out here today, they are charging you an arm and a leg just to get your curls popping. So yeah, so that's good. So we'd say the pro is the price. The last one I would say is the scent. I like the scent. I feel like they all say they have some type of form of coconut in it, or some shea butter or something, but I'm not sure that's the scent that I'm getting. But I will say that it's a pleasant scent. So that's all pros. Now let's go to the cons. The cons, of course, is, for me, anytime I have a finishing product, I'm gonna go to the first thing that bothers me, because I spend a lot of time doing my hair, a lot. So I wanna make sure that it actually works and it has a good hold. These and this product, the gel, did not have a firm hold. It feels pretty light, like a light hold. And I just don't know about that. So I don't know how long I'm gonna get, how many days I'm gonna get out of this hairstyle. The next thing is the pre-poo. I liked it, like the pre-poo, but the problem with the pre-poo was it's not that much. I can only use it one time. It's one time I'm washing, and that's it, it's gone. Now again, the price being cheap, that helps, but who wants to buy several different ones just to use it one time only? So that's something I like about the pre-poo. I mean, I feel like the gel and everything else lasted. Why didn't it last? I could get, I don't know, maybe at least, I would say I could get, I'll show you guys this. I could get probably 2 wash and goes out of this, barely, but 2 I could say I could get out of this. And I just feel like they should have put more into it because of its consistency. Even though it comes in a jar that's roughly about the same as the curl cream, let's see, the gelling cream, I have to put that down as a con, because the gelling cream, going back to its size, not just the fact that it didn't work on my hair, because I feel like it'll work on somebody's hair, it just didn't work on mine, but this is only 6 ounces. I looked online, I couldn't find it bigger. I mean, maybe if you guys can find it bigger, we can remove that off the list, but that's what I found. And this is pretty small, and I'm thinking, even if you don't use a leave-in and you just go straight in with this gel, how many times can you use it? It depends on how long your hair is. If your hair is long, you might be able to use this one time, and that's it. If it's short, maybe you can get away with 2. But that's not a lot of times to use a styling product. But again, a lot of these complaints that I'm having can be overlooked due to the fact that they're so cheap, so you can go ahead and buy some more. So all of the issues that we had with the actual sizing of the products, that could be fixed with that. But just in general, I don't know, because that main one is kind of putting me on the fence here. If I do all this work and then I discover that it doesn't last for at least, I want to get at least 3 days out of it, then it's not good. So time will tell. I will go ahead and look into that. The other thing was, it did not do well in some areas. Like, this is really frizzy, and sometimes that happens here underneath my hair, but it didn't happen on this side. So I'm not sure what happened here, but because this is still considered the back, so it's not that gel cream issue. I don't know what happened there. And the shine on it, it's okay. So I did want to mention, you guys, I didn't want to do it before. Y'all can try and see the shine if y'all can see that on my hair. It's decent, okay? But I'm going to go in with this argan oil because I just want a little bit more. And all I'm going to do, which I know this is going to be breaking up whatever little cast I got, but I just want to put a little bit more on my hair. I feel like it gives it more life. Alright, so as far as this product goes, I do recommend you trying it because I feel like, you know, everybody's different and a lot of the cons that I listed may not be a problem for you, but go ahead and give it a try. All right, so I do want to thank you guys for watching. Bye.